This four-part presentation's intent is to provide a simple basic overview for the first-time rose gardener on how to successfully grow the new low-maintenance roses. Roses are often hailed as the queen of flowers. They have captivated gardeners for centuries with their exquisite beauty and enchanting fragrance. But for the average gardener, the rose has a reputation as a difficult diva. The prospect of tending to these perceived delicate plants can seem daunting, especially those with limited time or gardening experience. Fortunately, modern rose breeders produced a wealth of new roses that are not only stunning, but remarkably low maintenance and disease resistant. It is now easier to grow and maintain outstanding roses. I will begin this presentation by simply introducing you to the rose plant. I will then provide some basic guidelines on how to select a low maintenance rose for your garden. Next, I will highlight how to correctly plant the rose in your garden, and finally, how to care for your rose. After all, if dead people can grow roses, so can you. Now let's begin with an introduction to the rose plant. With thousands of varieties available, it can be challenging to choose the perfect rose. Roses have been cultivated for thousands of years, with evidence of their cultivation dating back to ancient civilizations. Over time, rose breeders have developed countless varieties, each with unique characteristics and attributes. Today there are two primary classifications of roses: old garden roses and modern roses. Old garden roses are those roses that existed before 1867. They are known for their classic beauty, fragrance, and historical significance. They have a nostalgic charm and are cherished by rose enthusiasts. Modern roses are a diverse group of roses that have been introduced since 1867. Modern roses are often bred for their large, showy flowers and the ability to continuously flower all season long. Popular modern rose varieties include: hybrid tea roses have large single florist type flowers growing on long stems. They have a medium to tall growing habit and are typically repeat flowering throughout the growing season. Floribunda roses have clusters of small double flowers with compact, bushy, short to medium growing habits and are repeat flowering. Glandiflora roses are a rose variety that is a cross between a hybrid tea and a Floribunda rose. They offer large blooms, medium to tall growing habit, and are repeat flowering. Climbing roses have a very tall climbing growth habit that is ideal for covering walls, fences, or arbors with stunning displays of colour. They generally have clusters of flowers on each stem. Some varieties may only flower once a season, and some are repeat flowering. Miniature roses are tiny roses that are perfect for small gardens or containers. Their flowers may be in clusters or one per stem and are typically repeat flowering. Shrub roses are a collection of versatile roses with a wide range of flowering habits and growth sizes. They are typically repeat flowering. Ground cover roses are low-growing roses with flowers that may be in clusters or one per stem. They are typically repeat flowering. These roses are ideal for covering slopes or filling gaps in your garden with continuous flower. They require minimal pruning and maintenance. In summary, the current focus of commercial rose breeders is to create new rose varieties that have lots of showy flowers, are continuously flowering all season long, and have the characteristics that result in low maintenance and a disease-resistant rose plant.